Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my online school morning routine. So let's just get straight on into the video. I know it can be a little bit dark, but I usually wake up around 7:52, kind of 8, 7. It really just depends on my mood. I have an alarm that goes off at 6:50 so that my body just starts slowly waking up and I start to like plug things in, like the light that I use at night because I hate like sleeping in the dark. And then I head over, get my glasses, and I go to start brushing my teeth and just kind of wake myself up, skincare, morning routine, clean my retainers. I did get my braces off, and I think I did a whole vlog on that on Vlogmas. So I think my retainers, I have a permanent retainer and then I have like these ones, and I wear them. I try to wear them every night. I don't wear them every night, but I try to. And I think like the place that I went to, you kind of like graduate, so then you don't have to wear retainers anymore. But so now I'm just cleaning my retainers, and then later you guys will see me brushing my teeth. So everything, I feel like my morning routine this day just particularly was like this. I feel like some days I do certain things. So the main things that I do is I do schoolwork. I wake up, do schoolwork. I work out, and then I eat breakfast. So that's like my morning chunk. And then I feel like it really depends. So sometimes I wake up and work out and then do schoolwork and then eat breakfast. Or sometimes like today, I literally wake up, do schoolwork, exercise, break, then do more schoolwork, and then eat breakfast. So it really just depends on what works for you and what I'm thinking about during the day. So now I'm actually finally going to be brushing my teeth. I have an electronic toothbrush. This is the best. If you have braces, get yourself an electronic toothbrush, because I feel like it really helped me, because I feel like I struggled with just a handheld one because I felt like I was just scrubbing and nothing would come off. So yeah, and I do use a whitening toothpaste because I'm trying to get my teeth white now that I have my braces off, but I feel like I'm definitely gonna have to like bleach them or something. And then now that I am like finally finished with that, I head back into my room, turn off all the lights, all that good stuff, and I end up coming back into my room and grabbing my laptop to start the day off. Now I have this light that's super bright. It's like these Hollywood lights, if you guys are wondering, and I usually use these more than like the regular lighting, just because I feel like, I don't know, some reason it makes me feel like I'm using less electricity, but maybe I'm using the same amount. I really don't know. So I have two computers. I have a Chromebook that I use like for everything. And then I have a MacBook that I use for school, but also for editing sometimes. And so I like to use my Chromebook, obviously for school, because it's for school. And then while I'm doing schoolwork, I kind of watch YouTube or listen to music or do something, because I feel like I cannot work in the quiet unless I'm doing a test. When I am doing a test, I have to work in quiet. So the first thing I do on my computer is generally just go in and check all my emails or respond back to like one of my friends in school. We use Microsoft Teams, and we just talk to each other during class, and sometimes I like forget to respond back, so I'll respond back to her during in the morning. I do hybrid schooling, so I have 3 days that is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, that is virtual days, and then Thursday, Friday is actual like school days. But they're actually kind of talking about like bringing everyone back, which I'm kind of conflicted about, because I like having like normal school, but I feel like COVID isn't over yet, and I feel like we really need to focus on everyone's health, so I feel like it really doesn't make sense to bring everyone back already. But on that point, so my friend and I, we talk in school on Microsoft Teams during class, and then we also talk out of school, like on our virtual days during Microsoft Teams, even though we Snapchat each other all the time. It doesn't make sense. I'm right now checking my grades as well. So I don't have any tests for today, thank goodness. I did a test Monday, Tuesday. I think I filmed this on Wednesday. So really, generally speaking, when you're seeing this, it's going to be a Sunday. Obviously, I post every Sunday. If you're wondering, you guys should subscribe to be part of the Angels team. Also, hit the notification bell to be part of the hashtag Angels notification team. And once you do that, you will never miss another video of mine every single Sunday. And sometimes I pop in an extra video whenever, so that's why you need to have your notifications on so you don't miss another one of my videos. Anyways, so now I've actually started to do something other than just check my grades and Microsoft stuff and my email. I'm doing some Cornell notes online, which is super cool how my teacher like set it up If you don't know what cornrow notes is, it's a way of taking notes. I did a whole video. I think it's the first video on my channel. Crazy. And I actually find it very informational. It's like 8 minutes long, so you guys could be able to just go through it and look at it. But I did it on paper. So now he did a template, my teacher, on like the computer, so you guys can be able to see that, me doing that, and I'm doing it over my biology work. So it really just depends. I know that my AVID teacher, if you guys don't know what AVID is, it's like a college career readiness program. Comment down below if you want me to do like a whole video on that. Oops. But I'm doing it over my biology work, so he said it needs to be over like your main classes, so like not elective classes. Like it needs to be over either like your science class, your math class, your English class, and your world history class, and then your elective classes, you know, you can do them, but he's like, it would make more sense to do it over your core classes. So here's a time lapse of me just kind of getting everything through and finishing up with my cornrow notes. So on this day, my mom was actually at home. So my dog sleeps with my mom, kind of weird, in her room in his own little bed. And I was taking him out, and it's actually like in the negatives, below freezing. And my dog is literally like a little wimp. So he like was walking really slow in the snow. He does not like the cold. But yet, then again, he doesn't like the hot. So I don't know what kind of weather he likes. So I took him out, and then I was opening the blinds to let some natural light into the kitchen, and I was taking out some fish for the dinner that we were gonna do tonight. My mom usually cooks. Sometimes I cook. My mom usually cooks though. And you can see he's just peeping his little head into the freezer like a little weirdo he is. And we take it out so that it's not, when we cook it, it's not super like rock hard. And we actually cooked it in the air fryer. And then I ended up giving my little doggy some food, and it was kind of weird because he was just standing there and he didn't even move. He looked like he was like a little doll or something. It was kind of creepy. And we ended up upstairs to start exercising. My dog is super weird. He doesn't like when we exercise, so he literally like runs to his little bed in my mom's room. It's about 9:23, and I put my Apple Watch on after making it charge. Sorry, it's sideways. I don't know why it is, but it is. And now it's time for the workout. So I've been doing Chloe thing workouts for a little bit. I try to work out like 3 times a week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And then sometimes on Saturdays we work out too. So it really just depends, 4 times a week, really, I don't know. And yeah, I really like Chloe thing workouts. I also do some MadFit workouts, really like her too. And then you guys are going to see a time lapse of me. Oh, I just almost slipped because I was wearing socks. Stupid me. But anyways, you're gonna see a time lapse, and I thought it was so funny how it is. Watch. I thought it was so funny because my dog just pops in and out, and then my mom's feet, and then I feel like my feet are just so fast that it's just cool. So yeah. Okay, so after I finished working out, I finished my cornrow nuts. So I only had a little bit left, but this is how it turned out. It was due Friday. You're seeing this on Sunday. So I actually turned it in. I don't know what the grade was, but I forgot. And it was over mitosis and meiosis. And it was due on Friday, like I said. And then for bio, I had an assessment. And I had kind of started it, but not really. I figured it out, but like on that day, I was kind of confused on what I was supposed to do, and then finally like figured it out. I guess I needed a little bit of a break or something. That was due on Friday, and I actually got 100 on it, 20 out of 20. Loved that I got that because I worked so hard on it, and I was just like, okay, I need to get 100. And then we make the morning smoothie. I feel like all my morning smoothies are kind of similar. After the smoothie, it's literally the end of my morning routine. I put spinach, mixed berries, and some mangoes and things like that in a banana, mix it up on my Ninja, and that is all. I actually end up staying downstairs for a little bit and watch some like updated vlogs and stuff on some YouTubers that I watch, and that's literally it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I love you guys so much. Make sure you guys subscribe to be part of the Angels team. Also hit the notification bell to be part of the hashtag Angels notification team. Once you do that, you will never miss another one of my videos, and you'll obviously be part of the hashtag Angels notification team. I love you guys so much. Stay tuned for next Sunday's video, because I promise you guys it will be an amazing one. Bye, guys. And bye from Joey too. Bye.